Welcome back, everybody. Paul Dietz here at CVC Horsemanship. When I get on there, if you couldn't hear, I'll go back. I have my reins short, so if something happened to him, I could get to his feet and stop him. There's been plenty of riders that had their reins long, and it can happen like a snowball rolling downhill. And, you know, I've had the luxury of working around some great horsemen, and it's a shame more people don't get them standing, but I got nothing to prove either. Safety, to have that rein short, I was sure he was going to stand, and I jumped. But if something did happen and he jumped or he ran off and I came off and he kicked me in the head, and my wife and daughter had no one, then how would that be? But I want him to stand. There's no rush to go here. I like him good to stand, so the first thing I do, I don't want to just kick him in the guts. If they have a tendency to walk off, I might back up. A lot of times I'll say I'll reach for him here, which I've reached one side and the other, and he's been pretty light, considerably to how he has been. But when I go to get on, I might reach with two hands, and he tends to get a little brace there from the ground. He needs lots of backing up. Like I said, it's kind of like us doing some squats there for our back end. He needs to do a bunch of backing for softening reasons and for muscular development reasons. Will really help him. So again, I kind of have place, and when he gets light, right now I'm still releasing because it takes him 4 or 5 steps before he gets light. And I'd like to get it that he just lightens it. In the dust there. She loves to live with me. I'm going to lower my hands a little. There. He can run over that dog. That dog will yield. If he tries to push me out of the way, I'm just going to hold and wait. So he goes into his own pressure by putting his head up there. There. I'm going to start a right circle. I want him to reach his right foot. There we go. And when he gets soft, I'll release. Good. So in time, I'll try to float him back a little more, but as long as he's releasing there, stop my hands and he pushed. And then he can come back off that tension. I'll release and then start my backup as he gets a little further along. I might try to stop him right there. I'm not going to release him. I'm releasing even though he's biting. I'm holding. Pushing him to teach how he can get back there and he can get light. He doesn't know that. Release. Then he gets stuck. Release. Then he gets stuck. Release. Then he gets stuck. There. That's how I want him to back. More reach in your foot there. There you go. Good. Good. And we'll start working on some softening from a trot a little bit. Come on, move your feet. Good. Left rein if I need to. So I just wait. We'll keep him going forward. Use a little lateral to help him. Still waiting. Try to break that jaw loose a little on one side. There's a try. Good. Anything I can do to help him there, to not teach him to lean on that rein. There. Off my hand. There. There. Down and in. Look out, Lena. His chin's down and in, but he's leaning on my hand. He's not soft there. There. Break that left jaw loose there. Builds muscle. You gotta come off that hand, so I fix and release. Fix and release. Little leg yield as I switch my coil. Just ever so slightly. Good. Again, as I bend this hip to the right there, that's that right lead. We'll try him out and see how he does. I'm not just going to keep jousting him there. I'll ride him in a circle. Down to my left lead. Whoop, hat's going to blow off. He was full cap. Soft. Good. Come on, you can do it. Good. Again, left lead's not too bad for him. Soft on that left rein. Soften on that left rein. If I have to, I'll break it loose. Like the rest of it. Close. Come on. Working on it. Whoop, way up there. Good. I'm gonna
half circle. We're gonna figure 8. There's the hind a little. Gotta get your butt over there. Gotta get your butt over there. Can't get your butt over there. There, you can't take your right lead. Ah, boy. Now we'll try again. Drop it. Keep some exposure. Can't make it. I'm gonna stop him with my left rein again. Want to get his butt over there. There. Want to get his butt over there. Get his butt. See how his front feet are stuck? There, his front feet started to So we start working on that imbalance there. Take his butt. There, he made it. Come on. And we'll give him a little while to make it. I don't want him in a hurry to slow down. We'll give him some time in that. Now I'll start to slow down a little. And if he can't make it, I'm going to bend him a little. We'll run over my dog. Just kidding. And out on my whoop whoop. There. Down to my trot. We'll bend. Leans on me. I'm going to go a little bit. There we go. Good. Up. My stirrup are just a little long from somebody riding in them. So I'm going to bend him here a little. Good. And we're going to stop him. I want him just to stop. Bring that energy down for a while. Good. So we got him exposure. It's not pretty. He'll get. But don't push my hands. Don't stick your head out. You'll get relief when your head's down and in there. You'll get relief when your head's down and in there. And soft. I'm going to roll his hind so I don't step on my dog there. There. You're not going to get relief when your head's out there. You get your relief whenever you give to me. When I reach for you, I expect you to reach for me. It shouldn't be a tug of war. Change his stance. Better to have a little bit better balance there. Good. So now we'll go back to the walk and we'll finish bringing kind of his adrenaline down with something a little slower. Around the property to start.